report aims to delve into the island's historical journey, exploring its evolution from early settlements to a renowned tourist destination. Additionally, we will highlight the latest attractions that draw visitors from around the globe. Historical background. Koh Tao's early roots. Koh Tao's history traces back to its early settlements, likely inhabited by indigenous communities. The island's geographical location made it an ideal stop for traders and explorers, influencing its cultural tapestry. Archaeological evidence suggests a history intertwined with neighboring civilizations. Colonial influence. During the colonial period, Koh Tao saw the arrival of European powers, leaving an indelible mark on its cultural landscape. The island's identity began to take shape as it became a melting pot of diverse influences. The remnants of colonial architecture and cultural practices still echo through the island's history. Development of tourism. From fishing community to tourist haven, the transformation from a humble fishing community to a sought-after tourist destination reflects the resilience of Koh Tao's inhabitants. Factors such as breathtaking natural beauty, vibrant marine life, and a welcoming local community contributed to the island's appeal. Impacts of tourism. The surge in tourism brought economic prosperity, but also posed challenges. Balancing the influx of visitors with the preservation of natural resources became a key concern. Community-led initiatives and sustainable tourism practices emerged to mitigate environmental impacts and ensure the long-term well-being of the island. Natural beauty and marine life. Ecological Wonders. Koh Tao's underwater world is a treasure trove of biodiversity. Coral reefs, teeming with vibrant marine life, attract divers and snorkelers worldwide. The island's commitment to marine conservation is evident through various protected areas and initiatives aimed at preserving the fragile ecosystems. Popular diving and snorkeling spots. Exploration of Koh Tao's marine wonders involves visiting iconic sites such as Shark Bay, Chum Han Pinnacle, and Japanese Gardens. Each spot offers a unique underwater experience, contributing to the island's reputation as a premier diving destination. Cultural heritage. Local traditions and festivals. Koh Tao's cultural heritage is celebrated through local traditions and festivals. Events like Loi Krathong and Songkran showcase the island's vibrant spirit, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the cultural tapestry of the community. Historical landmarks and cultural sites. Scattered across the island are historical landmarks and cultural sites that provide a glimpse into Koh Tao's past. Temples, shrines, and traditional architecture reflect the spiritual and historical aspects that continue to shape the island's identity. Latest tourist attractions. Current tourism landscape. Koh Tao's modern attractions cater to diverse interests. From luxury resorts to eco-friendly accommodations, the island offers a range of options for visitors seeking relaxation and adventure alike. Improved infrastructure ensures a comfortable stay for tourists, enhancing the overall experience. Newly developed attractions and activities. Recent developments include adventure sports, wellness retreats, and culinary experiences that cater to evolving tourist preferences. The island's adaptability and commitment to innovation have contributed to its continued popularity. Koh Tao's journey from a historical crossroads to a modern tourist haven reflects its resilience and adaptability. By understanding and appreciating its rich history, visitors can engage with the island's cultural and natural wonders responsibly. As Koh Tao navigates the delicate balance between tourism and conservation, it remains a captivating destination, offering a harmonious blend of history and modern attractions. Koh Tao, unveiling its historical journey and modern attractions. Koh Tao, a small island located in the Gulf of Thailand, is renowned for its pristine beaches, vibrant marine life, and rich cultural heritage. This report aims to delve into the historical journey of Koh Tao, tracing its evolution from an uninhabited land to a bustling tourist destination. Additionally, it will explore the island's modern attractions, highlighting the diverse range of activities and experiences available to visitors. Historical background. Early settlements and indigenous communities. Koh Tao's history dates back thousands of years when it was inhabited by indigenous communities such as the Chowle, also known as Sea Gypsies. These communities relied on fishing and maritime trade for sustenance and livelihood, leaving behind traces of their existence in the form of archaeological sites and artifacts. Influence of neighboring civilizations. Throughout its history, Koh Tao has been influenced by neighboring civilizations such as the Khmer Empire and the Malay kingdoms. Trade routes passing through the Gulf of Thailand brought cultural exchanges and economic prosperity to the island, contributing to its growth and development. Colonial period and its impact. During the colonial era, Koh Tao came under the jurisdiction of various colonial powers, including the British and French. The island's strategic location made it a coveted territory for trade and military purposes. However, colonial rule also brought exploitation and challenges to the local population. Emergence of Koh Tao's identity. Despite the influences of external powers, Koh Tao has managed to preserve its unique identity and cultural heritage. The resilience of its inhabitants, coupled with the island's natural beauty, has shaped Koh Tao into a distinct destination with its own charm and allure. Development of tourism. Transition to a tourist destination. In the latter half of the 20th century, Koh Tao underwent a significant transformation with the emergence of tourism as a major industry. The island's pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and diverse marine life attracted travelers from around the world, leading to the development of tourism infrastructure and services. Factors contributing to tourism growth. Several factors have contributed to the growth of tourism on Koh Tao, including improved transportation networks, promotion by travel agencies, and the rise of social media. The island's reputation as a premier diving destination has also attracted a niche market of adventure seekers and underwater enthusiasts. Impacts of tourism. While tourism has brought economic benefits to Koh Tao, it has also posed challenges such as environmental degradation, cultural commodification, and social inequality. Over-tourism in certain areas has put strain on the island's resources and infrastructure, prompting calls for sustainable tourism practices. Community response and sustainable initiatives. In response to these challenges, local communities, government agencies, and NGOs have collaborated to implement sustainable tourism initiatives on Koh Tao. These include beach cleanup campaigns, coral reef conservation projects, and eco-friendly accommodation options aimed at minimizing the environmental footprint of tourism activities. Natural beauty and marine life. Koh Tao's natural beauty continues to be its primary attraction, with pristine beaches, lush jungles, and stunning viewpoints dotting the island. The surrounding waters are teeming with marine life, making it a paradise for snorkelers and scuba divers. Diving and snorkeling spots. The island boasts some of the best diving and snorkeling spots in the world, including Shark Island, Japanese Gardens, and Chum Han Pinnacle. These sites offer opportunities to encounter a diverse array of marine species, including colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, and majestic sea turtles. Adventure activities. In addition to water-based activities, Koh Tao offers a variety of adventure sports such as rock climbing, hiking, and cliff jumping. Visitors can explore hidden coves, climb rugged peaks, and discover secret waterfalls amidst the island's rugged terrain. Cultural experiences. Immersing oneself in the local culture is also a highlight of a visit to Koh Tao. From traditional Thai cooking classes to Buddhist temple tours, there are plenty of opportunities to learn about the island's customs, traditions, and way of life. In conclusion, Koh Tao's historical journey and modern attractions paint a vivid picture of an island that has undergone remarkable transformations over the centuries. From its humble beginnings as a fishing village to its current status as a world-class tourist destination, Koh Tao continues to captivate visitors with its natural beauty, cultural heritage, and sense of adventure. As tourism on the island continues to evolve, it is imperative to adopt sustainable practices that preserve Koh Tao's environment and ensure the well-being of its communities for generations to come. In the Gulf of Thailand, Koh Tao is a tropical paradise that boasts a rich history and a plethora of modern attractions. This report aims to delve into the island's historical journey, exploring its evolution from early settlements to a renowned tourist destination. Additionally, we will highlight the latest attractions that draw visitors from around the globe. Historical background. Koh Tao's early roots. Koh Tao's history traces back to its early settlements, likely inhabited by indigenous communities. The island's geographical location made it an ideal stop for traders and explorers, influencing its cultural tapestry. Archaeological evidence suggests a history intertwined with neighboring civilizations. Colonial influence during the colonial period, Koh Tao saw the arrival of European powers, leaving an indelible mark on its cultural landscape. The island's identity began to take shape as it became a melting pot of diverse influences. The remnants of colonial architecture and cultural practices still echo through the island's history. Development of tourism. From fishing community to tourist haven, the transformation from a humble fishing community to a sought-after tourist destination reflects the resilience of Koh Tao's inhabitants. Factors such as breathtaking natural beauty, vibrant marine life, and a welcoming local community contributed to the island's appeal. Impacts of tourism. The surge